What sets successful millionaires apart from those who struggle financially? While there are many factors at play, one of the biggest differences is avoiding common mistakes that can derail financial success. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 mistakes millionaires avoid. But before we start, please like video and subscribe our channel Earn Online with Rabina for more videos. The first mistake is overspending. Millionaires are disciplined with their spending, avoiding unnecessary purchases and living below their means. The second mistake is not investing in assets that appreciate in value. Millionaires understand the importance of investing in assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses that can grow in value over time. The third mistake is not working hard or smart enough. Millionaires know that success requires hard work and smart decision-making, and they are willing to put in the effort to achieve their goals. The fourth mistake is not seeking professional advice. Millionaires understand the importance of seeking advice from financial experts, such as accountants and financial advisors, to help them make sound financial decisions. And finally, the fifth mistake is neglecting their health and well-being. Millionaires prioritize their physical and mental health, recognizing that their well-being is essential for achieving success. So, if you want to become a millionaire, avoid these common mistakes and adopt the habits of successful millionaires. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.